Today's the day. We've got Happy 4th to celebrate. We've got all 6 ITYs, all stretch in both direction, all $8.99. Crazy, crazy, crazy. Let me show them to you. Great drape. They all are the same. Great drape. This is a little tulip pattern. Then we have a little cable. Little cable, sweater cable. Kind of cool. Then we have this great black and white linear. Again, stretches going in both directions on all of these. Two-way stretch. Then we have this beautiful solid black. Stretch in both directions, okay? So time for new leggings, time for, oh my gosh, yoga pants, base t-shirts, swing dresses, tank dresses, you name it. Love this. This is a kind of a palm fronty abstract again, stretch in both directions. This has a little more body to it, kind of like a scuba, but it's still classified in the packing slip that it came in as an ITY, and then a little bit of roses, paper roses. All right, so all 6, $8.99 today only. Happy 4th.